So it's been hot, and then the next. So do you relight it, or what?
Nothing.
And then it gets hot again, and then it gets cold again.
Yeah, it's been 2 days already. It's been already 2-3 days that it's been cold.
Just cold.
Well, okay. You shower, but it's kind of cold. It's lukewarm.
Okay.
But no hot water comes out.
Okay. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna get started.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So doing a service call. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We got a code 6. Oh, that's crazy. Let's see if I can show you guys here. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6. 6, I think, is the burner assembly. I don't see a lot of 6s. 3 flashes. Here we go. 6 flashes and a 3-second pause. Chamber temperature sensor out of specification. Possible short. Okay, I thought 9 was the chamber temperature sensor. 7 is the gas valve. 8 flashes is a false pilot flame is present. 10 flashes, insufficient combustion air detected. So, okay. So we're going to shut it down. And hope that I have a chamber sensor, which I think I do. Yeah. I got one. Looks like this is going to be a quick service call. Possibly. I figured it was the valve. So this chamber sensor is one of Dave's water heaters. Of course. So I think we can just try and connect to this chamber sensor here. And relight it. I don't know that we need a whole lot of light here. So, get you guys a little bit closer. So here's the replacement chamber sensor. Here's existing. I disconnected it. I don't think it needs to be grounded. I'll connect it if it works. Let's make sure we put this back in here. And let's try and light it. Dave never counts the flashes. I don't know why he doesn't do that. Alright, we heard that. Okay. So it came up, it's blinking, normal operation. There we go. Easy peasy Japanesey. We got a bad chamber sensor here. This is the chamber sensor for the Bradford White. It's got a Honeywell number, a customer number. It's assembled in Mexico. And the part number on here for the Honeywell is 527-680-002. The customer product number is 239-49785-00A. And I dropped that screw. So we'll go ahead and reconnect it. I think this chamber sensor is off a job I did for Dave where I had to remove it because the board was bad and I had to put a board on there that didn't take the chamber sensor. Didn't want to do that, but I had to do that. So it came in handy. Chamber sensor basically senses the heat, right? If there's too much combustion going on, and we'll pick that up and shut everything down. But this also is a high temperature sensor right here, so it's got two of them. So there's one right here. It's kind of a door switch. That's kind of a worst case scenario sensor. But she's on. And she's working, so this looks like a pretty short service call here, which is how I like them. I think I've got a few extra sensors at home. Didn't even think to bring one, but I've got one in my bag. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. This is a Bradford white. Get a gander at the tag there. I'm going to try and light it up for you. It's probably a little too much light. So it looks like a 50 gallon. That's pretty much all he sells. Here are the codes right here. 3 flashes, 4 flashes, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. There's no 9 on this one. But that should take care of their problem. Look at that job Dave did up there with the ducted. That guy's crazy. I think I sweated on that valve. Oh, it's hard to remember. I just do so many of these. Anyway, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Every subscriber helps. Comments really help the channel a lot. So leave a comment and tell me how terrible I am. Even negative comments help. And we'll put this guy back on. If we can get this thing out here. It took me longer to load my truck up here than to do this. What is going on with this? That's probably what happened with it. There's just too much going on out here, Dave. Dave always makes sure he puts his cover on. I don't even sell water heaters with covers. His covers are for little kids. They don't reach in and burn their hands. Don't watch your kids. What you need to do. Alright, this thing's a piece of crap. It's going to take me longer to put the cover on than to fix the water heater. Alright. Success. Anyway, consider subscribing. Please like, subscribe, and share. And maybe Google will release my AdSense account, which I doubt. Anyway, thanks again. Dave called me for 2 water heaters, so I might have another one tomorrow night. But it looks like they're going to get some hot water.